Hi friends, this video shows how to uninstall app. I will be showing three methods. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Method 1. I am going to uninstall this YouTube app. Tap and hold on this YouTube app icon. Tap and hold. So we get this remove app option here. Tap on remove app. So that way we can uninstall this YouTube app. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general, tap on general, go to iPhone storage. From this list we can select the app which we need to uninstall. Let me select YouTube, and here we can see delete app. Tap on delete app, so that way we can uninstall YouTube. This is a method 2. Let me go to method 3. Method 3. Tap and hold anywhere on the home screen. Tap and hold. So now we can see this delete symbol on this YouTube app icon. Tap on that delete symbol. So now here we can see delete app option. Tap on that way we can uninstall YouTube. So these are the three methods to uninstall an app in this iPhone. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.